Are you hosting a party and in search of quick and easy appetizer ideas? You come to the right place. In this video, we'll present 3 delicious appetizers that will surely impress your guests. From savory to sweet, we got a range of options to suit every palate. Let's dive in and make your next party a sensational success. First appetizer is cucumber bites. This is a refreshing and healthy option that's perfect for those who are watching their waistline. Ingredients you will need: 2 pieces of medium-sized cucumbers, half cup of cream cheese, quarter cup of tomatoes peeled and chopped, quarter cup of fresh basil chopped, 1 teaspoon of ground paprika for sprinkling, and salt and pepper to taste. To start, choose a firm, unblemished cucumber and wash it well. Cut off both ends and slice it crosswise into rounds that are about 1 cm thick. Use a spoon or a melon baller to scoop out the center of each cucumber slice, creating a little hollow space that you can fill with the cream cheese mixture. Be careful not to scoop too deep or too close to the edges, or the filling will spill out. Then, in a small mixing bowl, combine the cream cheese, diced tomatoes, and chopped basil. Stir well until all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Next, put 1 bruschetta under each cucumber. Then, using a piping bag, fill each cucumber round with the cream cheese mixture. You can be as generous as you like, depending on how big the cucumber slices are and how much filling you have. You can also smooth out the filling with a knife or spatula to create a neat and tidy surface. Put cherry tomatoes on top and sprinkle with red pepper. Arrange the cucumber bites on a serving platter or a tray and garnish them with some extra chopped herbs or sprinkle with black pepper. You can also chill them in the fridge for a few minutes to help the filling set and the flavors melt. For our second appetizer, we're going to make puff pastry bites. This is a quick and easy option that's always a crowd pleaser. The ingredients are as follows: 12 large dates without legs, 6 slices of pancetta bacon, 6 tablespoons of crumbled goat cheese, 1 tablespoon of crushed pecans nuts, 2 handfuls of fresh arugula or lettuce or radicchio, and lastly, toothpicks. Heat the oven to 119 degrees Celsius, line the baking pan with parchment paper and set it aside. Fill each date with crumbled cheese and crushed pecans. Wrap each date separately with half of the bacon and secure it with toothpick through the middle of the date. Put the dates in prepared baking dish and bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the bacon is crispy but not burned. Then, take the bacon wrapped dates out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. Place the cleaned washed arugula, lettuce or radicchio on a plate, then place the dates on top. And your meal is now ready to be served. And lastly, for our third appetizer, we're going to make bruschetta. This classic Italian dish is always a hit and it's incredibly easy to make. Ingredients you will need are 4 slices of white, not fresh bread, up to 2 cm thick, 4 cloves of garlic for coating the bread when it's baked, 2 tomatoes, 1 clove of crushed garlic, 8 leaves of fresh basil, 4 pieces of mozzarella, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. First, heat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and meanwhile prepare the bruschetta filling. Peel the fresh tomatoes, remove the seeds, water it and chop finely and place it in a bowl. Then finely chop the garlic and add it to the bowl, cut the mozzarella into strips, chop 3 basil leaves, add salt, pepper and 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix all the ingredients so that they are absorbed. Moving on, coat the bread slices with 1 tablespoon of olive oil on each slice and place in a baking tray lined with baking paper. Next, toast the bread in the oven for 3 minutes until lightly browned. Take the bread out of the oven, place it on a tray and wrap each slice with a clove of garlic. Then put 1 tablespoon of the prepared filling on each slice of bread and 1 basil leaf on each slice and serve. And there you have it, Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed these quick and easy appetizer recipes that are perfect for any occasion. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell to be the first to know when we upload new videos. And if you're looking for more delicious recipes, check out our channel for tons of great dishes that are sure to impress. Until next time, happy cooking and goodbye.